You spend hours studying and retain almost nothing. The problem isn't your intelligence, it's your method. The Feynman Technique plus spaced repetition is how Nobel laureates and medical students learn complex material in half the time. Here's the system. Research from the Journal of Experimental Psychology shows that spaced repetition achieves a 90% retention rate after 30 days, compared to 20% for passive rereading. The difference is not marginal. It's a complete transformation of how much you remember. Combining it with the Feynman technique makes understanding stick, not just recall. Step 1. Choose a concept you want to learn. Step 2. Explain it in plain language as if teaching a 12-year-old. No jargon, no textbook phrases. Step 3. Identify the gaps, the moments where your explanation gets vague or hand-wavy. Step 4. Go back to the source material, fill the gaps, and simplify your explanation again. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it yet. When you read passively, your brain creates an illusion of understanding called fluency. The words make sense as you read them, so you feel like you know the material. But try to explain it from memory, and the gaps become obvious. The Feynman technique forces you to generate knowledge actively, which creates stronger neural connections than any amount of highlighting or rereading. Hermann Ebbinghaus showed that memory decays exponentially after learning. You forget 50% within a day and 90% within a week. Spaced repetition fights this by reviewing material at increasing intervals: 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, 30 days. Each review resets the forgetting curve and makes the memory more durable. It's the closest thing to a cheat code for your brain. Anki is a free flashcard app that automates spaced repetition. Create a card with a question on the front and your Feynman-style, simple explanation on the back. After reviewing each card, rate how well you recalled it. Anki automatically schedules the next review based on your rating. Spend 15 minutes per day reviewing cards, and you'll retain months of material indefinitely. The setup takes 10 minutes. The payoff lasts years. Here's the daily workflow. When you learn something new, immediately write a Feynman explanation in plain language. Turn the key concepts into Anki cards. Review your Anki deck every morning for 15 minutes. As cards mature, they appear less frequently. A card you know well shows up once a month instead of daily. Within weeks, you're retaining 90% of everything you learn with minimal daily effort. Mistake 1. Making flashcards that are too complex. 1 concept per card maximum. Mistake 2. Skipping the Feynman step and going straight to flashcards. You'll memorize words without understanding. Mistake 3. Inconsistency. Missing 3 days of Anki reviews creates a backlog that feels overwhelming. Keep the daily habit small and unbreakable. 15 minutes is all it takes. Feynman technique for understanding, Anki for retention, 15 minutes per day. That's how you learn anything and never forget it. I linked an Anki setup guide and Feynman worksheet in the description. Subscribe for learning systems backed by real cognitive science.